biological classification, natural system of classification, phylogenetic system of classification, proposed by Bentham and Hooker, given by Engler, Prandtl, Hutchinson, and Tathajan, based on similarities and dissimilarities among organisms with reference to morphology, anatomy, genetics, cytology, embryology, etc. Based on phylogenetic, that is evolutionary relationship of organisms, has little or no role of fossils, and it is more practicable. Fossils play great role in elucidation of evolutionary relationship, and it is less practicable due to absence of fossils. Artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, given by Aristotle and Linnaeus, given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker, involves usage of one or few morphological characters for grouping of organisms, employs several morphological characters for grouping of organisms, may use habit and habitat as criteria for grouping. Habit and habitat are not used as criteria for grouping. Artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, does not give information about natural relationships, provides information about natural relationships. Related organisms often get separated into different groups. Related organisms are placed in the same group. Does not use anatomy, cytology, genetics, embryology, etc. in grouping of organisms. Uses anatomy, cytology, cytochemistry, genetics, embryology, ecology, and ontogeny, etc. for grouping of organisms. Chemotaxonomy, cytotaxonomy, based on chemical constituents like DNA sequence, nature of proteins, crystals of calcium oxalate and calcium carbonate, aromatic compounds, etc. Based on psychological characters like chromosome number, structure and behavior of chromosomes during meiosis. Analysis of DNA and protein test help in finding relationships. Lineage of organisms is traced with the help of chromosomal studies. Presence of certain specific chemicals in different organisms show their close relationships. Presence of similar binding pattern of chromosomes shows close similarities among organisms. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista consist of unicellular, colonial, mycelial, filamentous, prokaryotic organisms, consist of unicellular and colonial eukaryotic organisms. Smaller cell size 0.1 to 5 micrometer, bigger cell size 10 to 100 micrometer. Members represent single envelope system. Members have double envelope system. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, that is murein. Cell wall, if present, made up of cellulose. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista. Only 70S type ribosomes present. 80S ribosomes are main ribosomes, whereas 70S ribosomes are found in cell organelles like plastids and mitochondria. Well-developed and organized nucleus is absent. Advanced, well-developed and organized nucleus is present. Flagella is unistranded and made up of flagellin protein. Flagella, if present, is 11-stranded and made up of tubulin protein. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista. Membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. Membrane-bound cell organelles are present. Sap vacuoles absent. Sap vacuoles present. Consist of single, circular, double-stranded DNA. consist of many linear double-strand DNA. Members perform amitosis type cell division as they lack mitotic spindle apparatus. Mitosis type cell division is performed and mitotic spindle apparatus is present. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista. Members can be aerobic as well as anaerobic. Mostly members are aerobic. Cyclosis is totally absent. Few members of Protista can perform cyclosis. Meiosis, gamete formation and gamete fusion are absent. They perform parasexual reproduction. They perform true sexual reproduction. Meiosis, gamete formation and gamete fusion are present. Zygotic meiosis, gametic meiosis. Meiosis occurs in diploid zygote to form haploid spores. Meiosis occurs in diploid gamete mother cell to form haploid gametes. Occurs in some dinoflagellates and cellular slime mold. Occurs in diatoms, acellular slime mold and most protozoan protist. Zygote represents the only diploid structure in the life cycle of organisms. All the structures are diploid except gametes. Organisms performing zygotic meiosis show haplontic life cycle as haploid stages are dominant. Organisms having gametic meiosis show diplontic life cycle as diploid stages are dominant. Virus, viroid, infects all type of organisms, infects only plants. Large in size, small in size, has either DNA or RNA as genetic material, formed of only RNA. Virus is a nucleoprotein structure. Viroid represents naked RNA particles. Virus has capsid. Capsid is absent. Bacteria, cyanobacteria. Cell wall is 1 to 2 layered. Cell wall is 4 layered. Cells are small in size, comparatively large in size. Either autotrophic or heterotrophic, generally autotrophic. Perform anoxygenic photosynthesis. Perform oxygenic photosynthesis. May have flagella. Flagella are absent. Glycogen is stored food. Cyanophycean starch is stored food. Have bacteriochlorophyll pigments. Phycobilins are absent. Have advanced chlorophyll A pigments. Phycobilins present. Lysogenic cycle in virus. Lytic cycle in virus. Hydrolysis of host DNA is absent. Host DNA is oftenly hydrolyzed. Viral DNA replicates once with host DNA. Viral DNA replicates repeatedly to produce many copies in the same host cell. Viruses are non-virulent or temperate. Viruses are virulent. Host cell is not hydrolyzed. Host cell is hydrolyzed. Lysogenic cycle in virus, lytic cycle in virus. There is slightly disturbance in host metabolic machinery. Host metabolic machinery is completely taken over by viral genome, that is DNA. Integration of viral DNA with host DNA is called prophase or provirus. Prophase is not formed. Virus particles rarely released outside the host cell. A number of viruses are released outside after hydrolysis of host cell. Photoautotrophic bacteria, chemoautotrophic bacteria perform photosynthesis using sunlight energy. They do not use sunlight energy. Instead, they use chemical energy. Pigments are present for trapping light energy. Photosynthesis pigment are absent. Oxidation of substances to obtain energy does not occur. The oxidized substance to obtain energy for food synthesis. Photosynthesis occurs only during daytime. Synthesis of food can occur throughout day and night. Photoautotrophic bacteria, chemoautotrophic bacteria. Synthesis of food occurs rapidly. Synthesis of food occurs comparatively slower. Generally, they perform anoxygenic photosynthesis except cyanobacteria. Always perform anoxygenic photosynthesis. For example, purple sulfur bacteria, green sulfur bacteria, purple non-sulfur bacteria, green non-sulfur bacteria. For example, hydrogen bacteria, nitrogen bacteria, sulfur bacteria, iron bacteria. Plasmodium, pseudoplasmodium, found in acellular slime molds, found in cellular slime molds. Represents free living multinucleate naked diploid mass of protoplasm. Represents aggregate or group of amoeboid cells, each having their own identity. It is unicellular structure. It gives appearance of a colony. Sporangiosperms, conidia. Endogenous spores formed inside sporangium. Exogenous spores not formed inside sporangium. Do not produced in the form of chain. Conidia are produced in chains. Sporangiospores are not exposed to air. Conidia are exposed to air. Sporangium, that is sporangiospore containing structure, is born at the tip of sporangiophore. For example, zygomycetes. Exposed chains of conidia are formed at the tip of conidiophore. For example, Ascomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Conidia ascospores represent mitospores, represent meiospores. Produced by mitosis, produced by meiosis. Numerous conidia are produced at the tip of conidiophore. 4 to 8 ascospores are formed inside ascus. Represent exogenous mitospores, represent endogenous meiospores. All conidia are genetically similar. Ascospores are genetically dissimilar. Produced during asexual reproduction, produced during sexual reproduction. Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, commonly called as sac fungi, commonly called as club fungi. Primary mycelium are long-living and well-developed, whereas secondary mycelium are short-living. Primary mycelium are short-living and less developed, whereas secondary mycelium are long-living. Hypha have simple central pore septa. Hypha have bracket-shaped dolipore septa. Sex organs are present, sex organs are absent. Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes. Site of karyogamy and meiosis is ascus. Site of karyogamy and meiosis is basidium. Produce endogenous sexual spores called ascospores. Produce exogenous sexual spores called basidiospores. Fruiting body formed is called as ascocarp. Fruiting body formed is called as basidiocarp. Clamp connection formation is absent. Clamp connection formation occur between adjacent cells. Plasmodium, Plasmodium. It is genus of malaria-causing parasite. It is somatic body of a cellular slime mold. It is a protozoan. It is a slime mold. It is uninucleate and parasite. It is multinucleate and free living. Cell is not covered by slime layer. Somatic body or cell is covered by slime layer. It performs absorptive nutrition. It performs ingestive nutrition. depend on living host for survival, depend on dead and decaying compounds for survival. Prokaryotic flagella, eukaryotic flagella, single-stranded without covering of membranous sheath, 11-stranded structure and have covering sheath of cell membrane, smaller and narrower structure, larger and thicker structure, have 3 parts, basal body, hook and filament, have 2 parts, basal body and shaft, formed of flagellin protein and perform rotation type movement, formed of tubulin protein and perform undulation type movement.